Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how you guys can improve your audio quality using a free and simple audio editing program. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get started with the video. Okay guys, so like I said before, today I'm going to show you how you guys can improve your audio quality by using Audacity. Now Audacity is a free and very simple audio editing program that you guys can use and download for free, and I do have the download link in the description in case you guys want to check it out. Okay guys, so when it comes to audio, there are many factors that contributes into having great audio quality, which I like to break down into environment, hardware, and software. And like any video, your audio is an essential part to your video because it takes your audience or viewers into a process throughout your video, either by informing, persuading, or entertaining your audience. So having good audio quality is important in order to have a good video. Now when I'm talking about environment, I mean that when you're recording, you want to make sure that you're in a quiet and calm environment in order to eliminate any distractions or background noise as much as possible. Now I am going to show you how to remove background noise from your audio, but it's still important to be cautious when recording audio. Now moving on to hardware and software, which is essentially the equipment you use, and the kind of mic you use plays a big role in how your audio sounds. Now I am using the Blue Snowball mic, which is mounted on my boom arm and pop filter, and I really do recommend this mic as it has great audio quality for the price. But don't worry, there's nothing that a little editing can't fix, which brings me into software, which is the editing program of your choice, which is what this video is about. So let's get started. Okay guys, so we're here in Audacity right now, and this is basically the layout. So this is pretty much it. We have right here our control buttons, our record, our pause, and our play button right here. And yeah, that's pretty much it for that part. We also have our effects tab that the majority of our edits and improvements are going to be taking in place right here, so we can add to our audio file. So let's get started. So first you want to make sure that your microphone is selected and connected to the computer, and right now I am using the Blue Snowball Ice microphone. Make sure you have this at 2 stereo, and your output, either your speakers or your headphones, will have that there. And we kind of want to go down here, and for our project rate we want to just put it at 48,000, and these are basically the first settings that you guys want to copy, depending on what mic you have. And throughout this video you guys can pause or play whenever you need to copy some settings according to your preference. So now that we have that, all we have to do is basically start recording. So all you want to do is just hit that red button, and it'll automatically open a little track so you guys can start recording. And I'm just going to record a little sample right now so we can start editing it. Hey guys, so on today's video I'm going to show you how you guys can improve your audio quality by using Audacity. So we can see that it's done already, and this is basically our main track where we can hear it. As you guys can see, I did leave some like 5 or 3 second space in the end and in the beginning, and this is basically for your background noise, so Audacity can pick that up, and we're going to remove it later. So yeah, you want to make sure at the end and at the beginning of each audio recording you want to leave at least 5 or 3 seconds space max to remove your background noise throughout the whole clip. So right now we can actually listen to it, how it sounds like raw, unedited. But the mic and the equipment does help aid in making it a little bit better, but it just depends on what kind of microphone you guys have. But we can listen to it right now. Hey guys, on today's video I'm going to show you how you guys can improve your audio quality by using Audacity. So we can listen to it. It sounds pretty good. Like I said, it's just the type of mic you have in the equipment, but there are certainly some improvements we can make, especially with the background noise that we can hear at the end and at the beginning. So let's get started editing it. So right now what we want to do first is select the whole track. So you want to go to this gray area and make sure you just select it, so until the whole thing becomes white, that's when it's selected. And after you got that ready, you want to go to effect, and we're going to add our compressor. Now our compressor, our threshold basically is your preference of how high or how low you want your voice to sound whenever we're exporting the audio, so it determines the volume of your voice. The next of these presets are basically normal presets. You guys can copy it down if you want to. This setting right here, you can check it or uncheck it. I leave it unchecked, but it's basically you guys what you hear and what sounds better to you guys. So you guys can copy the settings down, and we're just gonna hit OK. and you can see the wavelength that's actually getting shorter. Now make sure this thing is all selected again. We're gonna go to effect up here and bass and treble. So we're just gonna add a little bass and a little treble to our audio file. And you wanna make sure that you have this close to 6 or 6.2. I leave it at 6.2. Your treble at least under 1, but I have it at 0.8 right now. And your volume is 0, and you wanna make sure this is enabled, and all you have to do is hit apply and close, and that's it. And we want to make sure we select it again once again, and we're going to add another compressor effect to it. So same settings, and just hit OK. And now we have this part, and it's basically the main part of the audio is edited, but as you can see, we still have the background noise, especially here at the end, more so than the front. So what we're going to do in order to take all the background noise of all the audio file is just select where it's the majority. So right here we can see there's more background noise at the end. So we're just gonna select and highlight this part with your background noise. Make sure that none of your actual voiceover is selected. So just make sure that's their background noise. Now once that's selected, we have to go up here at effect and hit noise reduction. Now that we have noise reduction, all you have to do is get the noise profile. And this is basically letting Audacity know what the background noise is, and basically telling it to remove it later on when we do apply the noise reduction. So now that we have that, all we have to do is select the whole track in this gray area, go down to effect, and hit noise reduction once more. And these are the settings that you guys can use, but you guys can manipulate as well if you hear that the noise reduction is not totally gone. So you guys can mess around with these sets. But this is the basic presets that I have right now, and you want to make sure it's on reduce and hit OK, and we can see these little wavelengths are gonna decrease and disappear. So as you can see, no more background noise, little to none once you hear the whole track again. Hey guys, so on today's video I'm going to show you how you guys can improve your audio quality by using Audacity. So that is good. So now that we have that right now, all we have to do is just select the whole thing, and that's basically it. All we have to do is just trim it up, select some parts, make it nice and neat. All you have to do in order to export it and save it onto your computer is select the whole track, go up to File, Export, and then you guys can export as MP3, but I usually do it Export Audio. All we have to do is just rename it. So I am going to rename it Audio Test 2, and we just save it, and that's basically it. We already saved it, we edited and exported our file, and this little box will show up. We just hit OK, nothing real important. But now that we got that done, we can close out of this and check the actual file. So we're here in our files right now, and I just select the audio test tool, and we can hear the whole thing right now. Hey guys, so on today's video I'm going to show you how you guys can improve your audio quality by using Audacity. And it sounds pretty good and ready for editing and putting it into our video editor along with our video. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it. Today we've been over some factors that contribute into having good audio quality, as well as using Audacity, which is a free audio editing program in order to record, edit, and export your audio track ready for you guys to use in your video. And don't forget that the download link for Audacity is in the description underneath that like button. But with that said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.